Thursday. Friday pala. Saan? Remove your spectacles. It's not looks good on you. Please do live while you going to shopping. Thank you, Ajo, for subscribe. Kuya. If I'm outside, I did not live. Because you know what? I always roaming around here in the place like it's crowded people and I'm afraid that my phone will snaps in the bad persons outside. Well, inside the mall, it's fine. But but if it's in the crowded outside, I'm so afraid that my phone getting snatched of the bad people. There's a lot of people here in the Philippines. I don't know in India, but here it's a lot. You know, there's a lot of snatcher here. Oh, yes, of course. So hello. I buy this phone like 2 weeks only 2 weeks in me. It's iPhone 16 Pro Max, the latest one. So what I'm gonna do. So I'm afraid of taking. Hi guys, I'm here on charara blah blah blah. Simba ko Lord, wag naman. So I'm afraid. Here is not like that. There. But here, my gosh, especially nowadays, it's not good. They're gonna they're gonna store your things. Especially when you have your necklace or what? The bags. It's gonna take it to you. Some people are, they're gonna show the good things happening here in the Philippines, not the bad side. But the truth is, there's a lot of bad side. There's a lot of it's so traffic. There's a lot of squatters area. There's a place that there's so many many garbage. You know, there's a lot of people sleeping the street. You know, some are